Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your computer storage devices. So if you are running on a classical hard disk or you have an SSD and you would like to upgrade the storage device or the SSD, then this video is made for you. So one of the things which you will need to do, you will need to make sure that you have the appropriate screwdrivers, and also if you can get this little plastic support which will help you to open your computer without using metallic parts. In addition to that, if you are unable or you don't know how to open your computer, don't force it. Just go and check online in YouTube about videos how you can open your computer. Just type how to open and add the computer brand and number or serial, and you should be able to find related videos. Once you are comfortable with that, you can go ahead and start opening your computer. Select the appropriate screwdriver, not very big, not very small, to not damage the screw, and just open the back side of your computer. Once done, you can either press down and remove the classical hard disk or the old hard disk, or you can even remove the old SSD, or if you have an additional slot or place where you can plug the new SSD, then just keep the old one and go ahead and put or place the new one. In most cases, if you have the SSD like mine, for which there is an additional plug in my computer, then you will need to use a screw to fix it so that it doesn't move or it doesn't go out. Once done, you can just go ahead again and close your computer, and you can just turn on and start running your computer. I will invite you, before you close your computer, that you start your computer and you see if it's working properly. If it's the case, then you can just turn it off, go ahead and close the computer and run it as usual. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.